Hello friends, today our next topic is sex chromosomes or allosomes. So what is the definition of sex chromosome? The chromosomes are responsible for to the determination of sex of individual is called as sex chromosome. So what is the actual definition of sex chromosome? The chromosomes are responsible for the determination of sex is called सेक्स क्रोमोझोम. त्यांना मात्र काय म्हणतात तर सेक्स क्रोमोझोम म्हणतात. ऍक्च्युअली सेक्स क्रोमोझोम आर हॅव्हिंग टू मेन टाइप्स. फर्स्ट एक्स क्रोमोझोम and another is Y chromosome. Okay, sex chromosome are having two main types, X chromosome and Y chromosome. आता X chromosome आणि Y chromosome या दोघांचा स्टडी आपण कंपॅरेटिव्हली करूया, कारण की कंपॅरेटिव्ह स्टडी केल्यानंतर जे पॉइंट्स असतात ते व्यवस्थित लक्षात राहतील. मग आता दोघांचा स्टडी करत असताना इकडे काय लिहिणार तर X क्रोमोझोम ओके, आणि इकडे काय असणार तर वाय क्रोमोझोम, एक्स क्रोमोझोम अँड वाय क्रोमोझोम. ओके, फर्स्ट द एक्स क्रोमोझोम इज metacentric. X chromosome is metacentric, so it appear X shape. Okay, it is metacentric, hence it appear X shape. Okay, but Y chromosome is submetacentric. Okay, hence it appear Y shape, hence it is also called as Y chromosome, and it appear X shape, hence it is also called as X chromosome. Okay, so second point, it is longer than Y chromosome. Okay, here the Y chromosome is shorter than X chromosome. Okay, so it contain X chromosome, it contain large amount of euchromatin, and you know very well that euchromatin contain more DNA. It contain more DNA. So it contain large amount of euchromatin and less amount of heterochromatin. Hence it is genetically active because it contain more DNA. Hence it is genetically active. But about Y chromosome, it contain less amount of euchromatin and more heterochromatin. Okay, hence it contain less euchromatin, means it contain less DNA as compared to X chromosome. Hence it is genetically less active. Okay, next point, the X chromosome are found in both male and female, because you know very well that in female the pair of sex chromosome is XX, okay, and in male the pair of sex chromosome is XY, means X chromosome are common in both, means in male as well as in female. So hence the X chromosome present in both, that is male and female, but Y chromosome are only present in male. Y chromosome are only present in male. So hence it is only present in male. It only present in male. Okay. Next point. The homologous part of X chromosome shows more genes. Okay. The homologous part of X chromosome, homologous part of X chromosome shows more genes. But here the homologous part of Y chromosome, contain less genes. Okay. So in X chromosome the X-linked genes are present. In X chromosome the X-linked genes are present. X-linked genes are present. But in Y chromosome the Y-linked genes are present. Y-linked genes are present. In Y chromosome Y-linked genes are present. Okay. Next point. The genes on X chromosome shows criss-cross inheritance, means some disorders are transferred from grandfather to grandson. Okay, grandfather to grandson. So this type of the inheritance are called as criss-cross inheritance. For example, color blindness, or for example hemophilia. Color blindness and hemophilia, it is the best example of criss-cross inheritance. And what is the criss-cross inheritance? The genes are transferred from grandfather to grandson. Okay, so that is called as criss-cross inheritance. X chromosome shows criss-cross inheritance. Okay, and it shows Y chromosome shows straight inheritance. Okay, so this is the comparative study of X chromosome and Y chromosome. Okay, this is the comparative study of X chromosome and Y chromosome. So I again repeat the all points. Okay, first X chromosome, Y chromosome. So X chromosome, it is a metacentric, hence it appear X shape. The Y chromosome is submetacentric, hence it appear Y shape. So it is longer than Y chromosome, it is shorter than X chromosome. It contains large amount of euchromatin and less amount of heterochromatin, but Y chromosome contain less amount of euchromatin and more amount of heterochromatin. So the X chromosome is genetically active, Y chromosome is genetically less active or infight. त्याच्यानंतर next X chromosome present in both, that is male as well as in female, but it is only present in male. And homologous part of X chromosome shows more genes. The homologous part of Y chromosome shows less genes, and here X-linked genes are present in X chromosome, Y-linked genes are present in Y chromosome, and X chromosome shows criss-cross inheritance and Y chromosome shows straight inheritance. So friends, you know very well that the structure of X and Y chromosome. Here the X and Y chromosome, X chromosome are larger, but here the Y chromosome are smaller. Okay, so this part are same in both chromosome, hence it is also called as homologous region. Homologous region. And this region is different, hence it is also called as heterologous region. Heterologous region. Okay. So in both chromosome X and Y chromosome, the homologous region is same, hence it is called as homologous. Okay. And the region in both chromosomes are different in length, so hence it is also called as heterologous region. And this structure are called as centromere. It is the centromere. Okay. So this is the structure of X chromosome and Y chromosome, and this is total information about that sex chromosome. Okay friends, the next topic is link genes and what is the linkage and the types of linkage. Link genes, what is the linkage and types of linkage. So what is the link genes? The genes are located on same chromosome. What is my link genes? The genes are located on same chromosome and they inherit together are called as link genes. I again repeat the definition of link genes. The genes are located on same chromosome and they are inherit together is called as link genes. Okay. So what is the definition of only linkage? What is my linkage? Linkage means it is the tendency of two or more genes. It is the tendency of two or more genes present on same chromosome and they inherit together is known as linkage. Okay. So what is the definition of linkage? It is the tendency of two or more genes located on same chromosome and inherit together is called as linkage. Okay. And in plants the linkage first time discovered by the scientists Batson and Punnett. Okay. In plants the linkage is first time discovered by Batson and Punnett, and in animals the linkage are first time discovered by T.H. Morgan. So the two kinds of or the two types of the linkage are occur in living organisms. First is complete linkage and second is incomplete linkage. Okay. First is complete linkage and second is incomplete linkage. Okay. So what is my complete linkage? So first of all we are discuss about that complete link genes. So friends, the genes are closely located. The genes are closely located on chromosome. They do not separate, means the crossing over are not takes place and they inherit together are called as complete linked genes. And the inheritance of complete linked genes are called as complete linkage. So I repeat again the definition of complete linked genes and complete linkage. The linked genes are closely located on chromosomes. They do not separate, means they do not show crossing over. And they inherit together is called as complete linked genes. And the phenomenon of inheritance of complete linked genes are called as complete linkage. मग आपल्याला फक्त तिकडच्या डेफिनेशन मध्ये काय वर्ड बदलायचा आहे? सिंपल. क्लोजलीच्या अपोजिट काय करणार? The linked genes are widely located on chromosome. Okay. The linked genes are widely located on chromosomes. Okay. So they are separate from each other. Crossing over takes place and they inherit together are called as incomplete linked genes. And the phenomenon of inheritance of incomplete linked genes are called as incomplete linkage. So I again repeat the definition of incomplete linked genes and incomplete linkage. The chromosomes are widely located on chromosomes. They are separate from each other. They shows crossing over is called as incomplete linked genes, and the phenomenon of inheritance of incomplete linked genes are called as incomplete linkage. Okay, next point. So incomplete linkage, the parental traits are inherited in offspring. Okay, incomplete linkage, the parental traits inherit in offspring. Okay, but in complete linkage, the new traits occur in offspring. Okay, the new traits occur in offspring. Okay, and the example of yes, complete linkage, the X chromosome of Drosophila male shows. The X chromosome of Drosophila male shows. The example of complete linkage are X chromosome of Drosophila male shows complete linkage. Okay, and yes, incomplete linkage shows in ziamase. Okay, ziamase. Okay, and in ziamase, the color and shape of grains shows incomplete linkage. Okay, in ziamase means in maize, color and shape of grains shows incomplete linkage. Okay, so this is the total information about that types of linkage. So I repeat, the comparatively complete linkage and incomplete linkage. Complete linkage means the linked genes are closely located, they do not separate, and they do not show crossing over but inherit together, are called as complete linked genes, and the phenomenon of inheritance of complete linked genes are called as complete linkage. Here the linked genes are widely located, they are separate from each other, they shows crossing over and inherit together, are called as incomplete linked genes, and the phenomenon of inheritance of incomplete linked genes are called as incomplete linkage. So incomplete linkage, the parental traits inherit in offspring. Offspring means in new progeny. Okay, but in incomplete linkage, the new traits occur in offspring. New, not same, means not parental traits. Okay, and example of complete linkage is X chromosome of Drosophila male shows complete linkage, and the examples of incomplete linkage is ziamase. So color and shape of grains shows incomplete linkage. Okay, friends, so this is the total information about that linked genes, linkage and types of linkage. Okay, so the next topic is sex linkage, so we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.